Lucky wants to go outside for some reason. And, well, here are the snowdrifts. So let's see how this works out. Ooh, go Lucky. Yikes, Lucky. You are, oh my goodness. She's looking at a squirrel. She's trying to get this squirrel on the tree. Even though she's buried in the snowdrifts. Oh my god. Lucky, you poor thing. What are you doing? Do you not realize that it's... Okay, go to the bathroom. There's the squirrel. There's Lucky. Shake it off even though it's still snowing. Okay, no, you don't want to go in. You want to turn around. Okay. Don't really know what you're doing, Lucky. Okay. Squirrel is on the bird feeder over there. Lucky sees it. Lucky sees the squirrel. She's going after the squirrel. She is like buried in snow. And the squirrel is still trying to get food. And Lucky is wading through the snow. She is a silly dog. Shake it off. Okay. And now she wants back inside. Yes. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to get some towels for you, Lucky.